A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Shurojit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on legal reasoning questions. So friends, since we guys are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination, it becomes very important for each and every one of us to understand these legal reasoning questions. Now, legal reasoning is one of the most important subject out of the 5 subjects you have in CLAT preparation. So today we bring to you some very important questions. These are all passage-based questions, friends. Today we are going to have a look at some of the most important passage-based questions for your preparation. So guys, let's begin. But before we begin, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022 aspirants. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2022 and have not yet subscribed to our online classroom program, do join this crash course for CLAT 2022. Moving ahead. In this particular crash course, what do you get? You get expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus, weekly performance test, faculty counseling and guidance session, and above all, the most important thing is that all your topics, be it English, be it reasoning, be it GK, whatever it is, be it maths, everything will be covered by live classes and quizzes. So that's the thing that you are going to get in this crash course for CLAT 2022 batch 3. Moving on, let's begin, guys. Today we bring to you this passage. Read this passage very carefully. There are questions subsequent after you read this passage. Okay, so read this passage very carefully. Let me know once you are done reading with this particular passage. Ishan Singh says done. Yashashvi says done. Ayushi Sharma says not done. Sir, just wait. Okay, I'll just wait. I'll just give you another 10 more seconds. Okay, moving on to the next slide. read this particular slide very carefully. This gives you a brief idea about the kind of litigation that used to happen. It's a PIL, okay? Public interest litigation. What is public interest litigation? What is not has been described in this particular passage, okay? Moving on. Okay. Vikram says done. Ishan says done. Yashashvi, Annapurna, everyone says done. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done? So people whose rights are violated but they cannot approach the courts, someone who is a public spirited person, a public spirited citizen can approach the courts for the enforcement of the rights which are violated to the poor, to the needy, right? Okay. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. So, are we all ready to face the questions? The first question is up there on your screen. Read it very carefully. What should Anita do under the present circumstances? She is an uneducated woman in a village. She claims that her fundamental right has been violated. The right to practice one's profession and Article 21 rights. What should Anita do? She cannot approach. She should approach an NGO. Very, very good. She should approach an NGO. This NGO this particular NGO will file a public interest litigation on her behalf. So the correct answer happens to be option C. Let's see the correct answer. Option C. Is that clear? Moving on to the next question. Okay. Ishan, Candid, ABS View, Shubham, Abhinav, Yashashvi, Annapurna, all got it right. All got it right. Very good. So guys, if you're liking today's session, do press the like button. Okay. Which of the following situation could have been made him file a PIL? Under what circumstances can a PIL be filed? That's a precise question. And the correct answer is option C again, where a large MNC is operating and there is causing a huge pollution. C. Okay. Option C is again the right answer. Moving on to question number 3. A person having more than 2 living children are prohibited from holding specific offices in the panchayat. That's what the Haryana law say. Which of the following? Okay. Option C again. They considered it to be a coercive law, which disqualifies person having more than 2 living children after a certain date from holding public office. So the correct answer has to be option C again. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Moving on to question number 4. Can his PIL be accepted in the High Court? Yes. Why not? Why not? Yes, because anyone can file a PIL on behalf of someone else in High Court as well as in the Supreme Court. PIL can only be heard by the High Court and the Supreme Court, right? Under 32 and 226 articles. Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone? Moving on to question number 5. Let's see the correct answer. And the correct answer is yes. Any person can file a PIL where a public interest is being affected by people at large. So the correct answer happens to be option B. Is that clear? Fantastic. That's the correct answer, option B. Very good, very good, very good. Moving on to the next set of passage. Read the passage very carefully. Moving on to the next slide. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Question number 6 is up there on your screen. Okay? Did you all understand? Tell me the correct answer. The father, being a minister, informs his son about certain cabinet policy of the government of India. And because of that, the son sells certain stocks that he had of certain drug company. So the correct answer is yes, it is. It amounts to insider trading. Option C is the right answer. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Question number 2. Question number 7, sorry. Okay, tell me the correct answer. The correct answer is no, because his disclosure of the proposed government policy has helped someone in making personal gains. Someone has made personal gains out of that information which Mr. Y, who was in the capacity of being the Secretary, Ministry of Urban Development, disclosed in the party. Is that clear to everyone? Option B is the right answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Very good, Yashashvi, Candid, Ishan. Yes. Yes, because the hacker has unlawfully breached the computer security for personal gains. A few insurance companies to which the information was divulged made huge financial gains. That's it. So, are you understanding how to solve these questions? These are not difficult questions at all. Just that you need to read the passage very carefully. Okay? Is that clear? Option A. Question number 9. That's it. I think I have given you the answer. The minister used his knowledge and have made personal gains. How? He bought cheap land, which was to be the proposed capital. It happened in Andhra Pradesh. Right? It happened in Andhra Pradesh. So the correct answer happens to be option B. Is that clear? Option B is the right answer. Moving on to question number 10. It was a simple one. It was a very, very simple one, guys. Right? Yes or no? What is the correct answer? The minister. Because he has been reckless in discussing government policy. Did you understand what is insider trading? So, after you read a particular passage properly, you understand it properly, it will not be difficult for you at all. Am I clear? Am I clear to everyone? Any doubts? Please definitely let me know. If you guys have any doubts, do let me know. Okay? Okay, fantastic. So friends, a very important announcement from BYJU'S Exam Prep. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course batch 2 for CLAT 2020 aspirants. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2022, here comes a very important comprehensive preparation course for you for CLAT 2023. In this particular course, what do you get? You get expert guidance by NLU alumni, day-wise study plan, one-to-one mentorship guidance, and weekly performance test. This is a very, very important comprehensive preparation course for CLAT 2023 aspirants. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET and Jamia for the year 2022. Apart from CLAT, Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET and Jamia happens to be the other single most examinations. So work on it. Enroll yourself for this particular course. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very, very much. I hope you understood the questions that were asked, the passages that were discussed today in the class. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. See you soon. Thank you.